And don't point that beard at me, it might go off.
Now, if we want to know what a dark Danish action comedy is, we have to go back in time and see what the cultural roots that made it was. So, in the 70s, in the late 60s and in the 70s, a great film tradition in Denmark was started. And the main exponent for that, the only exponent, is the Olsen Gang, or Olsenbanden. A series of films, 13, actually 14, about a gang of petty criminals that tries to make the score to end all scores so they will be on top and live happily ever after. That's basically every movie, and it involves heist in every movie, and they are funny and no blood. So, in every film, the leader, Egon.
Jeg har et regnskab at gøre. Jamen det har vi jo lige. Jeg er blevet snydt og bedraget. Jeg er blevet holdt for nar. Man har anset mig for en lille lus. En pjalt, et pjok, en madike. Men jeg skal vise dem noget andet.
Comes out of jail. And he has a package under his arm. And in this package is the plan. And there to greet him is his gang, Benny og Kjeld. So, and they always pick him up and go home to Kjeld, where his wife Yvonne is, and they discuss the plan.
Hvad er det for noget griseri? Egon, vil du så få det vemmelige snavsepapir væk fra min pæne du? Jamen, hvad er det for en manér? Der skal kagerne jo stå.
There's always funny schemes and distractions, and there are a certain amount of plot points that every movie has to have for it to be an Olsen Gang movie. And it's really brilliant build up, and it ran for 13 years. It ran all my childhood, from 69 to 82. And every year the streets would be empty and people would flock in to see these movies. So this action comedy without blood is deeply rooted in the Danish cultural mind. And Anders Thomas Jensen is the same age as me. So this, I think, is the basic for it. The Olsen Gang. Check them out.